The first question is, in which capital city would you find the Louvre? The correct answer is C, Paris. Question 2. What is the term for squashing dough with your hands to make it smooth and elastic? The correct answer is B, kneading. Question 3. In a medical context, something that is pertaining to the skin is known as what? The correct answer is D, dermatologic. Question 4. Which Colorado mountain range contains the Continental Divide? The correct answer is A, the Rockies. Question 5. Which actor starred in 1967 movie The Graduate? The correct answer is A, Dustin Hoffman. Question 6. In what country is the Woodrow Wilson School of Public and International Affairs? The correct answer is D. Question 7. In his message to the Roman Senate, who described his recent victory over Pharnaces II of Pontus in the Battle of Zela as Veni Vidi Vici? The correct answer is C, Julius Caesar. Question 8. Tenso, Portuguese for tense, is a series of image macros that progressively crop closer and closer to the one tense face in the frame, and it started on the Vale Tudo gaming board in what country? The correct answer is C, Brazil. Question 9. Which U.S. president played center in college football? The correct answer is D, Gerald Ford. And the last question is, Germany's invasion of Belgium directly provoked which country to go to war? The correct answer is C, Britain. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.